Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. Didn't expect this today. I think tomorrow's set for nice sunny weather, so hopefully we'll get back outside tomorrow and do some other little jobs in the garage. Or I might have to bring the jobs outside and do them in the sun. But, oh, this is lovely. We can do some more of this. This keeps up. We'll have stuff growing all over the place. Especially the weeds. But yeah, I'm just trying the camera out. Seeing what settings. I've had to knock the exposure right down. But even that was too bright. So I had to close the aperture up. So we're on F11. I didn't want to mess about with the shutter speed. So that's still on 150th. But yeah, the sky looks pretty good in it. I don't know if it's blown anything out. I've had a hat on all morning, so my hair's a bit of a mess. But yeah, this sun can come and stay out. The sun is our friend. That way, the microphone's behind the screen, so I should be alright today. And it's not quite as blowy.
No.
Can I have a cup of tea, please? Yeah, thanks. Good morning and welcome back. Lovely sunny day. It's been peeing out of rain all night. Today, we're gonna plant some seeds. I don't know if they're gonna take. These are Satan's Kiss chilies. I believe they're an Italian chili. But what I've done, I've got a seed tray, popped it in there, propagator lid fits on top, that can all go in the greenhouse. So it's like a double greenhouse. What I've done is sieve some compost with some sand. So I'll pop some of this in here. This is a bit of a trial, never done this before, so if we've even got enough, I don't know. And normally in a seed tray I just sprinkle them in, but this time I'm going to place them in. I've done it in the past where you sprinkle it in and you tend to prick a few out and you end up losing quite a few then. And because I don't like waste, not that the seeds are very dear, but I'd rather not waste them, to be honest. So I'm going to put them in, space them out. Now I'm just going to cover those seeds with the remaining compost. Thank you very much, Assistant Tina. I'm not going to pat it down, I'm just going to give it a bit of a spray with our water.
it'll get right on that edge.
There we go. Gonna put the lid on. Gonna leave the vents open. Put the lid on, and that's gonna go in the greenhouse. So we shall watch what's going on over the next week or two, and hopefully they'll all spring up.
Under the patio.
Alright. And that is another job, all done. Wolf tools, can't beat them. Well, I didn't think I'd be needing these. January the 12th today, and the sun is shining bright. So yes, I've had to go and find my sun specs out because I couldn't see a thing. My eyes were running and all sorts. It's got very bright. We'll have a look at Tina now. She's going to move some hedges. I better crack on because she's halfway through the job. So that's about it for today. We're going in now. The sun's gone in, so I've got to take my shades off. We just had the cranes fly over. They flew from north to south. Now that means one of two things. Either it's a group of cranes that totally lost it, don't know what they're doing, or they stayed north because the winter wasn't quite so harsh up there and they hadn't migrated south just yet. So with them migrating south, does that mean we're in for some cold weather? Who knows? Watch this space. You can't tell with nature. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up, all helps the channel. Comment below, ask any questions you like. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, hit the bell button and you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. And see you in the next video. Bye for now.